Because we want to create composers. Like eventually you will become also composer. Means playing, learning not only to repeat notes made by others, or that's why we have to learn how to improvise. Because when we improvise, then we create on the spot. So here we are doing a compositional work, which is to start by ABC. So this is kindergarten now what we are doing. Then from here up to Giant Steps of John Coltrane, or to The One by John McLaughlin we saw the other day, etc. Many amazing things are there in composition, right? But we have to start somewhere, and to start somewhere we have to say what's the creative process, how we will create music, our own music. This is magic, right? Because it comes just from chords, very simple chords, and then we start doing. Okay, now let's see, what if we will add a theme to that structure? Because that cannot be the theme, right? I cannot play as theme, right? The theme has to be some melody over this. There is two ways. One way is that we first create the melody and then harmonize it or put the chords, and then the other way around is what we are doing here, is that first we choose. That's what Chick Corea showed in one workshop before. There is video of this thing, I think maybe 15 years ago, with John Patitucci and Tom Brechtlein. They explain this process, similar process, beautiful composition. Chick Corea create a piece there on the spot. So we can all learn a lot from this thing. And that was first to choose the chords and then to put a melody like this. Like what Chick Corea did there, we are doing now. First choosing the chords, and then we will place the melody over the chords, over those chords. So now we will say, for example, what if we play a melody like a simple melody that has round shape and which is predictable, because this piece will be called predictable first. So that we know what's unpredictable. if we want to be the unpredictable, that's the goal, but because that's what surprises you. When you do something that surprises the other, grasp their mind and their hearts, is because you never expected that this will happen, right? If you know what will happen, is there fun in watching a movie that you know the end? And all the development, you already know what will happen. You know, this guy will come, then it will come another blonde, and it will happen this and that. So you already know what's the end, and this one will cheat the other, the police will come, etc. So it's all predictable. You know what will happen, so there is no fun, right? Some people like this, to tune the tune, or just having fun with what they already know will happen. But we need to strive for originality and unpredictability, right? But to know that, first we have to know what's predictable and what's cliche. As John McLaughlin was saying, that he wasn't satisfied with the way it's going on jazz music, because most of the things are just done on the cliche. And to go out of the cliche, that requires big effort and great talent to do it, and proper guidance. So it's not so easy. That's composition, what we are talking about now. It's not just technique or danzapu or this. We can learn many things from the website of the Paco de Lucia style on technique, etc. But this one this lessons will be dedicated to composition. So let's see on composition, melody, most important thing, the theme. Let's take a theme, give a theme to this.